Okay, we've had an issue where some people are not able to transition their gaskets. So in this instance, let's open up our spec view. In this instance, we have a situation where we have two gaskets. One is going to be an adapter to allow for us to transition from raised face to RTJ flanges. The problem is, in other CAD packages, you might just select which gasket you want to put in and insert it. We're having an issue right now. We can't do that. We go to the gasket, select it, and that it's just grayed out. You can see how it's a little bit darker than this one. So we're not able to directly manually insert the gasket for some reason. So what we're going to do is we come over here to a flange set that's inserted. We take that, we select the connector, so that's the gasket and the bolts in this case. We're going to I'm holding down the control button, select the gasket. You notice how the grippers turn yellow, which means it's active for that one object. And you have a visibility shift, or a substitute part button, I'm sorry to say. You pick, and this shows you all the available options. In this case, we do have the option for an RTJ by raised face gasket, which is what we'll select. And that's how we substitute out alternative gaskets. Thank you.